LubeGuard is the leader in research, development, and manufacturing of highly specialized synthetic lubricants to various markets.
Welcome to the CVT Recharge and Protect product overview by LubeGuard. Continuously variable transmissions, or CVTs, tend to be problematic because CVT transmission fluids often break down faster and require service sooner than the OEM service interval recommends. Many consumers are not aware that CVT fluid services are required more frequently than what is recommended for the more common step automatic transmissions. Some CVT models require a fluid change every 15 to 20,000 miles. Even with these short service intervals, the fluid's additive content tends to degrade faster, resulting in objectionable noise, shudder, poor performance, belt and chain slippage, foaming that causes improper fluid pressure and flow, excessive component wear, and heat that creates sludge. LubeGuard CVT Recharge and Protect is a concentrated additive formulated to provide extreme pressure performance and anti-wear protection for sheaves, belts, chains, and pulleys in order to prevent slippage. It solves problems like shudder, noisy operation, and fluid foaming. LubeGuard restores the additive content to consumed CVT fluid and protects new fluid from breaking down as quickly by raising the thermal and oxidative stability of the fluid. Testing shows LubeGuard dramatically improves anti-wear protection, even in used fluid. It restores the anti-wear properties of high mileage used fluid back to the same level as brand new factory-filled fluids. CVT Recharge and Protect is compatible in all makes of continuously variable transmissions that require CVT fluid. Some e-CVT transmissions, such as the Toyota Prius, require automatic transmission, or ATF. CVT Recharge and Protect should not be used in these systems that require ATF. Be sure to check your owner's manual for your proper fluid type. So how much do I use? Add 1 to 2 ounces per quart of CVT Recharge and Protect. A maximum of 2 ounces per quart can be used safely in a vehicle. Do not overexceed this recommendation. Consult the OE procedure for setting fluid level to assure proper fill level. Do not overfill. Can LubeGuard be added to my existing fluid? LubeGuard can be added to new or used fluid. How soon can I expect to see results? CVT Recharge and Protect usually works quickly, but in severe cases can take up to 150 miles of operation to take full effect. For more information, visit our website at lubeguard.com. Thanks for watching.
LubeGuard is the leader in research, development, and manufacturing of highly specialized synthetic lubricants to various markets.